Hi, hello, welcome to Letham Trading. Now we are going to see Nifty end of the day analysis of 24th April and the trade setup for tomorrow. See what is the relationship between yesterday's CPR and today's CPR. This is a downtrend CPR. So most probably we'll see for a put position here. Where the market opened. Here the market opened a gap up, right? See, this is here the market opened, and observe the first 5 minutes candle. The first 5 minutes candle is a breakdown to this H4, right? So you can take a put position here at this point and your target will be up to CPR. We always take a trade and we'll exit at CPR most of the times. And if you observe clearly, there is a 200 EMA at this CPR. So that was the reason for this rally. And but this is according to our setup. This is not according to our setup. We trade most of the times in the morning itself, not after afternoon session. So that was the reason we have clearly booked this trade, the first trade, and this reversal trade is not according to our setup. But we don't go for the put position here because of this consolidation. You see, this is a 200 EMA, right? This 200 EMA and the CPR and a support at the CPR. This is a clear reversal. That was the reason it was a good rally, right? Moreover, this is almost a narrow CPR today, and we have two trade setups. If you have traded this setup, you should not take a trade at this setup. We generally take only one trade a day. So taking a trade number of times will affect your emotions. You can't have a good emotional control if you take number of trades. See, if you have a loss in the first trade, you will get that emotion into the next trade. So that was the reason you'll continuously add your losses. If you have 1,000 rupees of loss in the next trade, you will combine it with your previous trade. So that was the reason you'll just close that second trade without hitting your stop loss too. You just exit the trade without hitting your stop loss or your target. So overall you will be in a loss only. So if you have a control on your mind and you take a single trade, then you will have a great career in this trading. So you always think about your mindset, not about your strategy. Strategy is just a 10% to your success. And we will move on to the next day. Here the CPR has become wide, but it is an uptrend CPR. So in the uptrend CPR, most probably we'll see for a call position. But if the market opens to in the flat, this H3 is going to act as a major resistance. If you see a reversal at this resistance, you can go for the put position. But if the market opens in this point, if it breaks in the first 5 minutes candle, then you can think about taking a call position. But you should not think about taking a call position if it is breaking to the next candles. So you should avoid taking a trade since the market will be very sideways. And if the market opens inside the CPR, breaking to the upside or to the downside will decide the market. If it breaks to the upside, then you can go for the call position. But if it breaks to the downside, since it is an uptrend CPR, you need a retest. If it is getting a retest, then you can go for the put position, because your stop loss will be just above the CPR. If you take a after breaking the CPR, your stop loss will become very, very big. So if the market opens in this range, there is a 200 EMA, right? So if it takes a support, you can go for the call position only. If it breaks to the CPR, then you can go for the put position. So there are many things to remember for tomorrow. H3 reversal inside the CPR, everything depends on the opening location. Thank you. I hope this video will help you. Please subscribe to our channel.